Hi guys, welcome to my channel Learn Max Easily. And now this is actually a video of solving a sample question paper that has been released by CBSE for your upcoming board exam of class 10 max. So I know that I haven't completed or I haven't yet crossed 50% of your book by teaching it, but what I am doing is to have a clear idea of your upcoming board exam because it's not possible to take entire book within your board exam schedule. So we will solve this sample question paper which will be very useful for your upcoming board exams. So we will see by one question that is present. Find whether the following pair of linear equation is consistent or inconsistent. This is the first question that has been given in your sample question paper that has been released by your CBSE for this upcoming 2024 board exam. So the given equation is x plus 2y equal to 8, then 6x minus 4y equal to 9. They are asking us whether this equation is consistent or inconsistent. So just the formula as we studied, that is, you guys, they will teach it in your school, is a1 by a2. So upon finding a1 by a2, that is 3 by 6, so that is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, b1 by b2, 2 by minus 4, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. Same, right? 1 by minus 2 and minus 1 by 2 are same, no issues in that. Then c1 by c2 is nothing but 8 by 9. It's what given here. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. That is not equal to c1 by c2 is what we got by simplifying. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, right? This is what we got because 8 by 9, this is minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Both, all the three are not same. So by this we can come to the conclusion that this is an consistent equation. It is a consistent equation. Why? Because the consistent equation tells that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, that's not equal to c1 by c2. So it forms a consistent equation. Hence the following linear equation, that is 3x plus 2y equal to 8 and 6x minus 4y equal to 9, forms a consistent equation, is what the end point you have to write in the result after writing these steps, right? Now we will see the next question. Find, in the given figure, if ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD parallel to EF, then prove that AE by ED equal to BF by FC. I think this is a problem from your textbook. In one example, you just check it with that. In triangles lesson, yes. So we will see that this is again one of the questions that is given in your sample paper. So kindly note it down in the textbook, and while you are revising for your board exam, kindly refer this question again and again because this is asked in your sample question paper. So the first step over here, we'll just join the point A and D and B, right? Only the point value is being changed. This, now we will just join this. I'm joining this like a straight line. You kindly join it in the dotted lines while you are solving this. Now they are telling that after joining this, it is intersected over here. This point, let it be G. So with this, what they are telling is DC, that is DC is parallel to AB. Just kindly refer the diagram that is given in the question. AB or DC, whatever it is, DC is parallel to AB. Similarly, EF is parallel to AB. It's what given over there in the question. So with this, EF is parallel to DC, also given in that question, right? EF is parallel to DC. Okay, fine. This is given in the question. With this, what we can come to the point, say that we have to prove that AE by ED equal to BF by FC, right? With this, how we can come to that point is what the question actually, right? Nothing. Okay. Now with this, I will add a new page. AE, that is AE by ED is equal to BF by FC, right? Yes, AE by ED. Okay. This one. A, sorry, this is D, E, A, C, F, B. Then have that diagram in your note. In that, in triangle ABD, I'll just show that in triangle ABD, AB is parallel to EG. AB is parallel to EG. So with that, by the similarities, we know that DE by AE equal to DG by GB. By the similarities, DE by AE is equal to DG by GB, right? Similarly, in triangle CDB, we get BG by DG equal to BF by CF. This can be again written as DG by BG equal to CF by BF. Everything is same, right? We are inversing both sides, so there is nothing wrong in that. So here DG by BG, here too again DG by BG. So therefore, with that we can come to the conclusion that DE by AE is equal to CF by BF. So again inversing back as we did it in the before, we are again re-inversing that AE by DE is equal to BF by CF. So this is what we need to prove, right? This is what we need to prove. AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. That's what we have got here. AE by ED is equal to BF by CF. Hence the proof. So the similarities, you just need to think as a small bit spark is needed so as to continue without any problem, right? By the similarities of the triangles in your textbook, right? So the next question. The length of a tangent from a point, 23rd question. The length of a tangent from a point A at a distance 5 cm from the center of a circle is 4 cm. Find the radius of the circle. Okay, first we will draw a circle. Center point, radius, length of the tangent. So tangent, this should be touched, right? A single point. I cannot draw here perfectly. Kindly do it in your rough note or note which you are using. The point should touch only a single, like a line, and the circle should touch in the same point, that is single point, so that forms a tangent of the circle. Now at a distance of 5 cm from the center of the circle. Okay, fine. The hypotenuse length is 5 cm. This is center O. Let it be A, B. It forms a 90° by the theorem. This is 4 cm is what given in the question. They are asking us to find the value of OB, right? Okay. Again, with this diagram, we can come to the conclusion of the Pythagoras theorem using that phi square, because it forms a right angle by the theorem in circles. So phi square equal to 4 square plus the radius r square. OB will be the radius, let it be r. 25 equal to 16 plus r square. Therefore, the r square value will be 9. Therefore, the radius of the circle r equal to 3. The problem which they have given will be a complex, like when it looks, it becomes like a complex problem. Oh, like this, oh, like that. Nothing but we just need to draw the diagram so that it makes more simpler when we look, right? There's nothing, right? Just we are applying the Pythagoras theorem and we found the radius value to be 3 centimeter. That's it, right? Just don't see the problem and look like it is a very complex, we cannot solve all like that. Just don't come under that stuff. Just solve it, just draw the diagram whatever the question may be. In case of areas related to circles or circles, quadrilateral triangles, in those case, just draw the diagram so that it makes you very easy to think at different ways or multiple ways, right? Okay. 24th sum. Now evaluate sin square 60 plus 2 tan 45 minus cos square 30. Okay, so this is the question. Sin square 60 plus 2 tan 45 minus cos square 30 is what we need to evaluate. So again, for sin 60, tan 45, cos 30, we have values in your trigonometric table, and I have posted one video. I will attach that video in the description channel if you can watch that. How to remember the trigonometric values very easily, right? So within a fraction of a second you can complete the sum. This is again there in the board exam sample question paper, of irrespective of the mark, right? It may be of any mark. Okay, just don't worry about that, but you should not waste your time in this by just jotting down the table again and again. So you don't need to mug up the values also, because at some cases if you mug up sin 60, okay, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, okay, but on that instance in your board exam, by mistake if you put 1 or 1 by root 2 or 2 by root 3 like that, the entire sum goes wrong. So you just kindly watch that video how to remember the trigonometric table which I posted past 2 to 3 weeks back. I will just add it in the description channel so that it will be very easy for you to remember the trigonometric values. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 the whole square plus 2 into tan 45. Okay, tan 45 value is 1 minus root 3 by 2 the whole square. Okay, before substituting this or before finding the value, we can easily just finish the problem. Root 3 by 2 the whole square minus root 3 by 2 the whole square will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2. That's it. The only thing is, if you know the value of these things, you can carry out, or else that's it. You cannot solve the simple sums also, even if given in the board exam part, right? That is what actually answer question is been asked. 24th question. Evaluate sin square 60 plus 2 tan 45 minus cos square 30 is 2. Now the next question. Yes. What is the diameter of a circle whose area is equal to the sum of the areas of two circles of radii 40 centimeter and 9 centimeter? Okay. Okay, fine. I'll just repeat the question. What is the diameter of a circle whose area? Okay, first they are asking d value of a circle, and the circle's identification or the circle's definition or description is given as its area is equal to the sum of areas of two circles. Okay, so this d is, so capital A is equal to A1 plus A2. I will explain it. Now they are asking the diameter of this circle. This circle area is sum of two another areas of circles, that is of their radius is, okay, R1 40, R2 9. Now, oh sorry, 9. Upon finding the areas of these two circles and adding it, the result value will be the area of the unknown circle, and with that we can easily find the diameter of that circle. So it's a bit lengthy problem, but important problem in your board exam point of view. First we will find the area of the circle of radius R1, that is A1 value. Pi r square is the formula for area of circle. Pi is 3.14 into 40 into 40. When we multiply, what will be the answer? It will be 5026. You can just multiply and find. If I multiply, it takes more time. So similarly, area 1 value is 5026. Similarly, area 2 is equal to again pi r square, that is equal to 3.14 into 9 into 9 is 81, 254.5 centimeter square. Centimeter square is nothing but the unit for area, right? Now the net area, so that is what asked, right? The area of circle 1 and circle 2 will be the net area of the circle which they are asking. So if you add that, you get 5026 plus 254.5 is equal to 5280.5 centimeter square. Now they are asking us to find the radius, the diameter. So upon equating this to the pi r square, the net area to the pi r square, that is equal to 5280.5, 3.14 into r square is equal to 5280.5. So r square equal to, by dividing 5280.5 to 3.14, we get 1681.7. Then taking root to this value, we get r equal to approximately 41 centimeter. So the diameter will be again 2 times the radius, that is equal to 82 centimeter is what they are asking. So we found the diameter of the new circle, right? What is the diameter of a circle? We have found that it is to be 82 centimeter. Now 25b, a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the minor segment, and they are asking us to use the pi value to be 3.14. Okay. Now we will draw the diagram for that. Radius and the chord. The radius value they have given is 10 centimeter and it subtends a right angle. Find the area of minor segment. Okay, fine. This is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. So obviously it's a 90 degree. Now they are asking us to find the area of the segment. So area of segment, okay, we will just name this O A B, this be a point P, right? Now the area of the segment APB, right, this point is area of sector, the entire sector, area of the entire sector OAPB minus area of triangle AOB will give the area of the segment APB, is what the formula. Now we will find the area of triangle APB, AOB, right? Area of triangle AOB, we will just find out. Area of triangle AOB is nothing but half into base into height. So that is equal to half into 10 into 10, half into OA into OB. That's what 10 into 10, base and height. With respect to 90 degree, we will just find base into height is a right angle. Half into 10 into 10. Obviously it gives you 50 centimeter square. So we found the value of the area of triangle AOB is 50 centimeter square. Similarly, we need to find the area of sector OAPB. We will add new page, and area of sector OAPB is nothing but the formula. Area of the sector formula is nothing but theta by 360 into pi r square. We know the theta value is to be 90 because the sector forms 90 degree at the center. 90 by 360 into 3.14 into the radius is what we saw, radius 10 centimeter, right? Fine, the radius is 10 centimeter, so 10 square is nothing but it's pi r square. It's not pi square, it's pi r square. Okay, it is pi r square. 10 square is nothing but 100. So upon multiplying this, 90 by 360 is nothing but 1 by 4 into 314. So that gives you the value 78.5. This is the area of sector OAPB, the entire sector, right? This one, the entire OAPB sector is to be 78.5. Now we are going to find the value of the area of sector area of the segment APB is what they have asked, right? So the formula is, as I told you, area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle AOB. So upon subtracting that, 78.5 minus 50, right? So that gives you 28.5. That will be the area of the segment. Area of segment which they have asked in the question. We will see the question. 28.5 centimeter square, right? Centimeter square. Yes, we will just see that what they have asked in the question is find the area of minor segment, right? We have found the area of minor segment to be 28.5 centimeter square. This one. Yes, so area of the minor segment or segment, whatever it may be, is 28.5 centimeter square. So this is one question paper which I got released by CBSE. There are many question papers that are released by CBSE for past these many years. So you just collect all the question paper and work it out so that you get a clear idea of the upcoming board exam next 3 months. You have hardly only Feb, March, right? So only 2 months back to get your board exams. So kindly work it out again and again and watch my videos, and you can just text me if you have any doubt, because I cannot complete all the portions as I told you before within 2 months. So you text me whatever the doubt that is present. You say, for example, if you have doubt in circles, you just text me in the comment section of whatever the video it may be. You don't bother about in any video of mine. Text in the comment section that this question in an exercise of this lesson, circles or areas related to circles, I have doubt, so that I can get it and I will take one video for that question alone. I don't bother about that, right? Because I need to help you guys. I will take that single question alone in one video and I will put it as a doubt question so that it will be very helpful for you. I'll just post it as soon as possible when I receive that from you guys. So kindly post it in the comment section of any video irrespective of that of class 10, so that it will be helpful for you to attend your upcoming board exams. So we will see in the next video. I will continue the AP arithmetic progression from the next video, and I will just search as many as sample question paper I can, and I will post another video like this for your helpful process, right? Thank you guys.